0423 here with a whole new game that's really different on my channel, okay? I'm doing the game Bird Story, Bird Story. So yeah, I thought it would be cool, and I saw the reviews, they said it was good, so I thought I would check it out. We begin. Oh yeah, I already started it. Okay, I'll start from the beginning, guys. Alright, so basically he put something he put something in the treehouse and made a paper airplane and he threw it, basically. I thought this would be unique. I played it a little bit. Just to try it out. I got it on Black Friday. It was like 70% off or something. It has such a beautiful soundtrack. Such a beautiful soundtrack. Just got eerie as fuck. Okay. Man, this is eerie. Ooh, I'm getting them. I'm getting them goosebumps though. It's all over my skin, man. Look at that birdie on that boy's head. Technically, I don't know who this boy is at all. I just thought of getting this game, you know. Thought it'd be good. But I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything right now. Just a few things, simple things. Pretty sure he's dreaming right now. Is that school? Pretty sure that's school. Nailed it, son. Alright. Teacher. Our guy's sitting over here. Okay, the teacher's writing stuff. He's recording? I don't know. Looking outside the window. Rips a page. Let me guess, makes an airplane. Nailed it. He likes airplanes. She's looking through the window. He sees a bunch of stuff. Ooh, eeriness. Oh, what is that guy doing? No! What? 1764 equals a cat? Oh, wait. Don't tell me. I'm scared. No. No, but... Well, that went surprising well. I thought he was gonna do something terrible. Don't ask me. Oh god, she's scary. She has super hearing, guys. She's a Superman. Superwoman, actually. Alright, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I need to do something. Keep watching, guys. I'm back. Did I miss anything? Got a bunch of kids going. I wonder where they're going. Yeah, man, I wonder. Right, I move. Basically, I'll get caught, right? Screw you, woman. Anki. I'm a rebel. Anki. I'm a rebel. Trees and lockers? I don't even know if it's reality or imagination anymore. The music is so loud, but it's so beautiful at the same time. Oh, they're out to recess? Pretty sure this is imagination. Yeah, because school and recess isn't connected like this. Okay, let's see. We're supposed to be here. Oh, he's so sad. He has no one to play with. Buddy, if I was in your world, I'll play with you. Let's see. Let's go. What? Let me try that. He disappears. And then he reappears. Interesting. Okay, that's where I have to go. So basically this is memory, I think, maybe. Huh. So I basically have to go here. Maybe. I'm a rebel. I'm going on the dirt one. I'm a rebel. Okay. Which way? Where do I go? Okay. What's here? It's just some gate. What is this? That's building. Oh, this must be his house or something. That's the only reason he would come here. Why? Oh, elevator. I have to do... Well, I have to hit enter. Well, if this isn't suspicious, some random guy or girl with a kid in the elevator. He's like, I want to get out of here. Okay, time to play Russian roulette. Mother of God. This is some eerie shit, man. I'm scared. Are those rats? Yeah. Okay, wait. I kind of knew it was this one, because this was the only one with furniture and stuff that I can see. Because he remembers it. Oh, there's no one. Oh yeah. Beautiful tone. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, guys, I'm gonna stop humming. I suck at it. Okay, that's a note from someone, probably his mom and dad, saying like eat stuff and study. Oh my gosh, so many notes. Or like they're gone for some reason. Okay, let's see. Book. Are you hungry? Let me take control over your life. Yeah, I thought so. Okay, you need to eat something. Let's go to the refrigerator. Dun 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 dun. Give me food. Enter. It's so far great, but I don't understand anything. Shh. After this series is over, I'm gonna do another series. I'm not gonna spoil anything, but it'll be a good series. That I will assure you. He's watching Tom and Jerry's. Trust me, I watched so many Tom and Jerry's in my life. I will never forget the tone. Okay. Wait, let me see. That's parents' room, probably. That's living room. That's the kitchen. Alright. What do you want to do, man? Get out on the balcony? Oh, okay. I nailed that. Alright. That's basically the city. He lives on the highest floor. Alright. Okay. And that bush, he hided something in there. I wonder what it is. Okay. I'm gonna do parts of the time. If it's the intro and stuff. Okay. Wait, do I have to stay there? What the heck? Oh, wait. Maybe I can do something else. Maybe the stairs there. Okay, let's see. Let's say going to the parents' bedroom. Huh. Neat. Enter. Let's. I don't see something. Okay, wait. Enter. Okay, wait. Is that a plat? What is that? Are they scientists or something? Pretty sure that's a microscope. What? What is he planning to do? Ah, he's a little kid. Like bouncing, huh? Pretty sure he's got to do everything. Okay. Alright, you need to study. Alright. Study time. Ah, beautiful. He's studying. At least I think he is. That's 7 o'clock, okay. Good. An airplane again? This kid loves making airplanes. Oh! Look at it fly, Papa! Look at... Oh. Oh god, I thought that was scary. That sudden fall. Oh, you just leave the airplane over there? So far, not bad. I love the soundtrack. This is beautiful. Beautiful music. He's drawing. Or he's taking notes. Pretty sure he's drawing. Because this kid's not a kid who would draw. Huh. Ain't that right? It's 11 o'clock. Go to sleep for your own health. Oh, he's sleeping. Sleep. Alright. Who that? Probably his mom or something. I guess he was waiting for his parents to come back. Or his mom and dad. I don't know. Alright, let's see. Oh god, that scary moment. Oh, nailed that! This guy should do darts. And hit a bullseye, double bullseye, all long day. Ah, look at that, Superman! Ah, he noticed it. Okay. Yeah, he's happy. Okay. So far, this is a normal kid's life. Okay. Okay, I control him. Okay, let's go! What? Let's go. Oh, he's back. Oh yeah, I forgot. He goes to school. Okay. Let's take it back. Don't you need your book as well? Ah, he drew it himself with an airplane. Ah, that's cute. Okay, let's go to school, shall we? Ah, fridge. Enter. Ah, I love that. I missed that from Zelda. Pretty sure that's his life. Ah, note. It's raining. It's like, Okay, let's take the umbrella. It's like, I'm a rebel. I do what I want. What the heck? Straight up? Oh yeah, crap. I forgot about the red sign stuff. Okay, Grace, go sit at your desk. I don't like this guy. This guy made me quit classes today. Okay, this is basically from memory, I think, right? Go sleep anyway. Alright, so far this is so far it's good. I have a good feeling about this. I love that. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god, that moment when you sleep and your teacher finds out. Wait. There's only 12 students in a class? Unbelievable. That super kick be like. Alright. I think I'm gonna end up the first episode here. This will be an intro. I love it so far. Right. Sorry guys, but episode 2 will be shortly coming out right after this, okay? So expect for more. Sorry guys.